Dining in a world of luxury cuisine. Welcome to Luxury Lifestyle, where we teach you how to live elegantly and comfortably. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click in the notification bell so that when next we upload a new video, you will be updated. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concern, question or opinion about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Luxury cuisine is a world of its own. From the delicate flavors and exotic ingredients to the tasting menus and stylish presentations, luxury dining is an experience that few get to enjoy on a regular basis. But what makes a meal luxurious? How can you create delicious dishes that transport your guests to another realm? In this blog post, we'll explore the world of luxury cuisine from every angle. Read on to learn more about how you can turn your everyday meals into exquisite experiences. What is luxury cuisine? Luxury cuisine is a term that has been used to describe a variety of different types of cuisine. It generally refers to cuisine that is considered to be gourmet, or of a higher quality than what is typically found in restaurants. Luxury cuisine often includes dishes that are made with expensive ingredients, and that are prepared in an intricate or unique way. Some examples of luxury cuisine include caviar, truffles, foie gras, and lobster. These items are often considered to be delicacies, and are usually served in small portions. They may also be accompanied by other luxurious items, such as champagne or fine wine. Luxury cuisine is not only found in high-end restaurants, it can also be found in some home kitchens. Home cooks who want to create their own gourmet meals can use expensive ingredients and cook their dishes in special ways. This type of cooking can be enjoyed by anyone who has the time and resources to do it. Examples of luxury cuisine from around the world. There are many examples of luxury cuisine from around the world. Here are just a few. French cuisine. Some of the most famous and luxurious dishes come from France. Think about delicacies such as foie gras, truffles, and caviar. Italian cuisine. Italy is known for its delicious pasta dishes, but there are many other luxurious options available as well. Think about dishes such as risotto with truffles or fresh seafood cooked in a light, olive oil-based sauce. Japanese cuisine. Japan is home to some of the finest sushi in the world, but there are other luxurious options available as well. For example, Wagyu beef is a type of beef that is prized for its intense flavor and marbled appearance. Chinese cuisine. China is home to a wide variety of luxury cuisines, ranging from Cantonese to Sichuanese. One dish that is often considered luxurious is Peking duck, which is a dish that consists of roasted duck that has been marinated in a special sauce and then served with thin pancakes, scallions, and hoisin sauce. Thai cuisine. Thailand is home to some of the most flavorful and exotic dishes in the world. One dish that is often considered luxurious is Tom Yum Goong, which is a soup made with shrimp, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves. The best way to enjoy luxury cuisine. If you're looking to enjoy luxury cuisine, there are a few things you can do to ensure you have the best experience possible. First, research the restaurant or chef you'll be dining with. This way, you'll know what to expect in terms of quality and service. Second, make sure to dress appropriately for the occasion. This will show that you respect the establishment and are serious about enjoying your meal. Finally, be sure to savor each dish and take your time with each course. Luxury cuisine is meant to be enjoyed slowly and deliberately, so savor every bite. Different types of luxury cuisine. When it comes to luxury cuisine, there are many different types to choose from. Some of the most popular include French, Italian, and Japanese cuisine. Each of these cuisines has its own unique flavor and style that sets it apart from the others. French cuisine is known for its rich and creamy sauces, as well as its use of fresh herbs and spices. French dishes are often complex and can take hours to prepare, but the end result is always worth it. Italian cuisine is all about simplicity. The focus is on using only the freshest ingredients and letting them shine through in the final dish. Italian food is also typically very hearty and filling. Japanese cuisine is characterized by its light, delicate flavors. Japanese chefs pride themselves on their ability to create beautiful dishes that are healthy as well as delicious. Pros and cons of luxury cuisine. When it comes to luxury cuisine, there are both pros and cons that need to be considered. On the pro side, luxury cuisine is often incredibly delicious, made with high-quality ingredients and expertly prepared. It can also be a great way to treat yourself or impress others. On the con side, luxury cuisine can be very expensive and may not be worth the price tag for some people. There are also some health risks associated with eating rich, fatty foods on a regular basis. So, what's the verdict? Is luxury cuisine worth it? Ultimately, that decision is up to you. If you have the budget for it and you enjoy indulging in rich, delicious food, then go for it. However, if you're trying to save money or watch your waistline, you might want to stick to more humble fare. How to find the best luxury restaurants. If you're looking for the best luxury restaurants, there are a few things you'll want to keep in mind. First, consider your budget and what you're willing to spend on a meal. Luxury restaurants can be quite expensive, so it's important to know how much you're comfortable spending. Next, think about the type of cuisine you're interested in. Do you want something classic and elegant, or something more modern and trend-setting? There are plenty of both types of luxury restaurants to choose from, so it's just a matter of finding the right one for your taste. Finally, make sure to do some research before making your reservation. Read reviews of the restaurant online, and see if there are any special menus or events happening that might interest you. By taking the time to do a little bit of planning ahead, you can ensure that your dining experience is everything you dreamed it would be. How to order in a luxury restaurant. When you are dining in a luxury restaurant, it is important to remember that there is a certain etiquette to ordering. Here are some tips on how to order in a luxury restaurant. 1. First, take a look at the menu and decide what you would like to order. If you have any questions about the dishes, feel free to ask your waiter for more information. 2. Once you have decided what you would like to order, politely inform your waiter of your choice. 3. If you are ordering wine with your meal, be sure to let your waiter know your preferences so that they can recommend the perfect bottle for you. 4. When your food and drinks arrive, take your time to enjoy them and savor the flavors. Remember, dining in a luxury restaurant is an experience to be savored. What to expect when dining in a luxury restaurant? When dining at a luxury restaurant, you can expect to be treated like royalty. The staff will go above and beyond to make sure that you have a wonderful dining experience. They will be attentive to your every need and make sure that you are comfortable throughout your meal. The food will be of the highest quality and the presentation will be exquisite. You can expect to pay more for this level of service and cuisine, but it will be worth it for the unforgettable experience. Conclusion. Dining in a world of luxury cuisine can be an incredibly rewarding experience. You can enjoy new and interesting dishes, taste exotic flavors, and take your love for food to the next level. Whether you're looking for something fancy or simply want to explore what the world has to offer, there is something for everyone in this delightful culinary landscape. Not only will you have the opportunity to indulge yourself with luxurious foods from around the globe, but also gain valuable knowledge about different cultures and the unique recipes that make up today's diverse gastronomic culture. Thanks for watching the video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.